Okay, so question 10 was another question that people were struggling with a little bit. Okay, so we've got the radios and they're in a ratio of X to Y. Now we're told if we increase the price by 20, the ratio becomes 5 to 2. So then I would have X plus 20 and I would have Y plus 20. Okay, now because they then become in the ratio of 5 to 2, I want to get these to equal. So I would need to multiply this one by 2 and this one by 5. Then I know that they would equal each other. Okay, now I can expand my brackets. So that gives me 2x plus 40 equals 5y plus 100. Okay, I can then rearrange it. Okay, so if I subtract 5y from both sides, okay, I would have 2x subtract 5y add 40 equals 100. Okay, I'm then going to subtract 40 from both sides. I would have 2x subtract 5y equals 60. Okay, this is equation number 1. Now we're going to look at when the prices are reduced by £5. Okay, so this time I'm going to have x subtract 5 and I'm going to have y subtract 5. Now the ratio this time is 5 to 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply that one by 1 and this one by 5 because remember I want them to be equal. So if I then expand my brackets, I'll have x subtract 5 equals 5y subtract 25. Again, I want to get my letters on one side and my numbers onto the other. So to start with, I'm going to subtract my 5y. That will give me x subtract 5y subtract 5 is equal to negative 25. I'm now to cancel out this negative 5. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. I've got x subtract 5y equals negative 20. Okay, that is equation number 2. Now I've got 2 simultaneous equations that I can solve. Okay, so let's just move this down. So let's rewrite this out. I have 2x subtract 5y equals 60. And I have x subtract 5y equals negative 20. We'll see the y's are the same. They have the same coefficient. Okay. If I subtract this one, negative 5 subtract negative 5 would cancel that out. Okay, so let's now work this out. So 2x subtract x gives me x. This is cancelled out. 60 subtract negative 20, so it'll be 60 add 20. That gives me 80. I now have my value for x. I can substitute that back in as normal to find out y. I'll have my ratio and I can then simplify it. Hopefully that helps and you can complete the rest.